Hey, Mr. Hoffman.
Yes, Scuba?
I had an idea. What if we played a game where we try and think of as many songs as we can that use that famous chord progression you were talking about? 1, 5,
Oh, you mean 1, 5, 6, 4?
Yeah, that's the one. You play the chord progression over and over, and we'll sing all the songs we can think of that use it. Do you want to play too, Princess?
Sure. Okay, sounds fun. We'll see just how many different songs use the exact same chord progression. Do you want to start it off, Scuba?
Sure. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes.
This is my fight song, take back my life song, prove I'm alright song. Baby, you're a firework, come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go ah, 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 as you shoot across the sky.
But can you feel the love tonight?
Tonight, with or without you, with or without you, oh. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you're beautiful. Let it go, let it go.
Really? This song uses that chord progression too?
Anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. Okay, last one.
Time to say goodbye.
Wow, Princess.
Vedo t'hai vissuto con te, io con te. So many beautiful songs from one chord progression. I know. It's okay, Scuba.